Yuka here. How are you doing today? Question: have you ever had any Japanese breakfast? Do you know what we eat for breakfast? Yeah, so it's like this. So it looks very healthy and yummy, right? Yeah, so previously I introduced you about why Japanese people are so healthy. So we eat a lot of superfood in Japan, and also the breakfast is another reason to keep our health to be healthy. Yeah, so I'm gonna introduce you what we eat for breakfast. But also, to be honest with you, I normally eat a piece of bread instead of Japanese style of breakfast. It's kind of easy way of having breakfast. So I eat only sometimes Japanese style breakfast. But anyway, it's good to know for you to see what Japanese are eating in for breakfast. Yeah, so let's have a look.